isobars. This probably should have been in the previous video, but isobars are very important, and you even have a whole lab on isobars. Drawing them can be tricky. So first of all, what are isobars? Isobars are lines of equal pressure. That's it. Okay, so when you're looking at isobars, like this is a general example, it doesn't have any numbers on it, but all these white lines, these are isobars. Now, if you look at, here's a high, and if you look, there's a kind of a circle, oval, but this is an isobar, and if you go out a little bit, this is an isobar, and if you go out a little bit, that's an isobar. Where's that one go? That one goes down here, right, and then up and over down here. These ones have numbers on them. So this one is 1,000. You can see it go all the way around. This is Hurricane Katrina. This one is 992. This one is 984. This one is 976. And you can see they get closer and closer together. Big things with isobars, they cannot cross each other. They can get really close. I mean, if you look, they can get really close together. But they cannot cross. If you need to draw a circle in order for it not to cross, then you draw a circle for it not to cross. Okay? They cannot cross each other. Because if these two, this one and this one were to cross, well then that means that wherever they cross, it would be both 1,000 millibars and 992 millibars. And that's not possible. It's either 1,000 millibars, or it's 992 millibars, or it's 999 millibars, or it's 1,001 millibars. It's not going to be 1,000 and 992 at the same time. Right? It can't be. So they cannot cross. Okay, here's another isobar. It kind of goes around the circle. Okay, this one's not labeled, so that's not really great for us, but whatever. Oh, but yeah, it is. It's right here. It's 1008. That's that one. Okay. So you're gonna do one of those. I'm gonna give you a map with pressures on it, and you will draw your isobars. Just to give you another example, cyclones and anticyclones. So high pressure systems are called anticyclones. Low pressure systems are called cyclones. Okay? Yeah, you can see hurricanes, typhoons, whatever. Low pressure systems, cyclones is the general word for it. High pressure systems, anticyclones. Okay? And so if you look here, this is a low pressure system, it's cyclone. So it actually goes in our hemisphere, the northern hemisphere, it goes counterclockwise if it's a low system. If it's a high system, an anticyclone, it goes clockwise. So that's what the arrows are trying to show. So here's one. It's 1003, 1006, 1009, 1012, 1015. Right? And what is sea level? 1013, right? So sea level is right in between these two. High pressure, 1027, 1024, 1021, 1018, 1015, and what is sea level? 1013, so that's somewhere just outside this guy.